Are you looking for more fulfillment? My name's Jeanette Wilson. I'm a healer, a Reiki master, and I'm also a psychic surgeon. And my passion is helping people feel better through a variety of means. Healing is such a very, very special gift. And it's not necessarily something that we have to be born into. You can choose to develop it as a gift. If you're curious about whether or not you have healing hands, come and join me for a Reiki first degree training. It's a very straightforward workshop where you will meet other people keen to learn about healing, where you'll get to practice healing on others, learn some very easy to understand hand positions, and you'll start to feel your hands buzzing and tingling. Now, if after you've done your Reiki training you decide, yes, I love this, I want to take this further, then you can follow up with a Reiki second degree workshop, or you can join me for spirit surgery. That's where I invite beings who are no longer incarnate to work through me to bring about incredible healings on people. It can be people with terminal conditions, it can be people with chronic fatigue, fibromyalgia, it can be a tummy ache, it can be a frozen shoulder. It really doesn't matter what. If you would love to help people feel better and you don't know where to start, come and join me, Jeanette Wilson, for a training workshop. You'll find all the details on my website, JeanetteWilson.com. If you're not sure where to start, then email me, Jeanette, JeAnette, at JeanetteWilson.com, and I'll point you in the right direction. If you think you would love to help people feel better like I do, it's time to start your healing journey.